Claude Code is supposed to be the best AI coding tool in the world. And honestly, it kind of is, but it has a massive problem nobody talks about. Usage limit. Wait for 48 hours or pay $90 a month to upgrade. I didn't want to do either of that. So I sat there thinking, what can I do to get my app done and live right now? Luckily, I found a free solution, and it's something most people have never thought of trying. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did step by step. So here is what's happening. I was building my own podcast automation app that would generate and publish podcasts fully automated to Apple Podcasts and Spotify. I've been building it like for 1 to 2 hours. I was making good progress and the app was almost done. Just had a few small tweaks to make. But then I ran out of credits. Now, if you haven't used Claude Code before, it's running on a usage-based system. So every time you type a prompt, every time it needs to read files or create files, it uses parts of your credits. Now on the standard plan, which costs like $20 a month, that limit isn't huge. So for a small project, it's fine. But if you're going back and forth, fixing issues, adding new features, even for a simple application like what I built, you may hit the usage limits faster than you expect. And it cuts you off in the middle of it, which makes it so annoying. And then you only have two options: either wait until you continue for 12 hours or for 2 days, or you have to upgrade to the $90 a month plan. But I didn't want to wait. I didn't want to upgrade. What do I do? Now let me show you the 3 tools to use to finish a project if you hit the limit in Claude Code. Now the first one is Google Anti-Gravity. So just click on download and then you just click on install. And then you don't really need to learn how it works because it's really simple. You give it access to your project folder that Claude Code already made. I'm going to show you how to do this in a second. And then here you just type in what you need. And they give you a generous free plan. But if you hit the limit on anti-gravity, you just switch to the next tool, right? You windsurf. You download it, you open it. It works exactly the same. It has the same interface. And they also have a good free plan. And then if you hit the limit with Windsurf, you just continue with Tray AI, download it, install it, and it has the same interface, and then you continue. And they also have a really large free plan, which gives you a lot of credits. Usually these 3 tools give you enough credits combined to complete the application. Now let me show you how you would do this, right? How do you get the project from here to another tool like anti-gravity? It's really simple. It takes just 1 minute or even less. So you go here to open folder. Then you select your project folder that you have created in Claude Code. So it's here at the bottom. Mine is called podcast automation. And it's going to import this folder and all the files. And there is an important thing you need to do before you start building it. And if you don't do this one thing, it's going to fail, even with this new coding tool. Because none of these tools have yet seen the project. This means you need to tell them, this is an existing project. Please read through all the necessary and important files so you understand how this application works. And then also try to understand what still needs to be done to get this to work. And then don't start building anything yet, but just give me only a summary. Click submit. Now it's going to read all these important project files, try to understand what's going on. And then it's going to give me a summary. What's working, what's not working yet, and what needs to be fixed. And then you can take it from here and finish your application. When I switched to anti-gravity, it took maybe 5 or 10 minutes to get up to speed. And then just 20 more minutes to fix a few small things, to make a few more tweaks to my application. And then it was done. Now I have to be honest with you about something, because actually I ran through all my free usage credits multiple times throughout the project, not just on Claude Code, but I also ran out of credits on anti-gravity, on Windsurf, and on Tray. And my app still wasn't working. But once I found the mistake and fixed it, the app was done really fast. And I made a whole video about this because if you're building something with AI coding tools and things keep breaking, no matter how many AI coding tools you try, then that video is probably more important than this one. So I link it below in the video description. If this video helped, click the notification bell and hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my next videos.